So we need to apply what we need to apply validation in our backend. So what we need to do, this is our dependency that we need to add in our pom.xml file. Okay, this is for validation. Okay, I hope everyone added this. Now, after when we add the dependency, then what step next we do?
So
What?
run the Maven.
We have to reload the Maven. Okay. Okay, so this is our Maven. So we have to reload the Maven. Okay. If you are done, let me know. You go to this AMP symbol, you go to this part, first part, synchronize or reload all Maven projects, and choose the last this option, reload all Maven projects. Okay. So next you go to your auth request. In this, what changes we need to require here in the auth request? So in the auth request, you need to add this above the username. Okay, above this username, you have to add this. Is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So we are applying the regular expression that we have seen yesterday, and the same regular expression we are applying here. Okay, this regular expression we applied yesterday in our Rect application. So we have to apply the same regular expression. Is this clear? For this, you have to use this annotation @patron. Okay, and this there is another annotation not blank. Okay, it means it is compulsory to write something in the username. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
So we have to copy paste this, and this we are applying above the username. Okay, so we have to apply this above the username. So this is our username. So we have to apply here. Okay. So now this we need to import, not blank. Okay, this we need to import this, and patron also we have to import from Jakarta. Okay, from Jakarta we need to import both. And once we import this, they will come here. This imports will come here, and errors will be gone. Okay, once you are done, let me know. So it means we now apply this pattern and apply this annotation of not blank on the username. Okay, it is clear. This we have these two things we are applying upon username. Is that clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And these not blank and pattern, they belongs to this library. Okay, this library, they belong to this library, Jakarta validation constants. Now we have to see our, so this request will go to register. Okay, this will go to register, and where this register is defined, this request is going to go for register here, and this register is defined in our controller. Is this clear? This register is defined in our controller. So this is the file auth controller where this register is defined. So you open this file. Have you done this?
Yes, sir.
Now what you need to do, here in the argument of register, okay, because if you hit on register, then what will happen? If you hit on register, then this function will start running. Okay, and this function will store the data in a repository. It means in the database. Okay, what it is doing? It is registering the things into the database. Okay, if the username already in the database, it will give you this message, username already taken. Okay, but now before registering, what we need to do? For register, this auth request will be required. Is this clear? This auth request object will be required now for register. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What this auth request contains? This auth request contains the user information. That is the username password. Is this clear? This is the auth request. No?
Yes.
And we apply some validation rules here. These are some validation rules that we are applying. So in our auth controller, at the request body means it is getting the data. Okay, auth request is getting the data, but we also need to validate. Okay, if there is some validations are there, we need to validate the things. So we have to write @valid here. Is this clear? And we have to import this from Jakarta. Is this clear? Is this clear? It means before getting the username and password also, we need to validate the username password. Is this clear? If some username password is coming, we need to validate. And how it will be validated? It will go to this. It will go to this. What was the auth request? It will go to auth request, and this is the validation we have applied. So it will check from this validation whether this username is correct or not. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So what we have done till now, we apply @valid here. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So it will go to this class. Okay, when you apply @valid to, we need to validate this auth request. So this auth request class will be scanned. Okay, and from the, when this class is scanned, then we come to know about these annotations. That okay, these annotations are applied upon username, and if we are following the rules of the annotations, okay, whatever the rules we have defined here, so this is one of the rule that we have defined in our annotation. So if it is okay, then you will proceed further, otherwise you will not proceed further. Okay, proceeding further means if this is okay, if it's according to the rules that we have applied in the pattern, so you will allowed to register in your database. Is this clear? Is that clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will go to our database. This is our database. So use payment DB. We want to use it. Okay. So we are currently in our database. And first we need to register. Okay. And this we have done yesterday. So yesterday it was working. Okay. Yesterday it was working because we don't apply any validation here. Okay, but now this should not work. Okay, because we want only string here. Okay, as per our rules that we have defined here. So what is the rule? What is the rule here that we have defined? The rule is that the username should contain either small alphabets A to Z or capital letters A to Z. Okay, these only things are allowed. Okay, so numbers are not allowed now. Okay, is this clear? Now you can, numbers are not allowed. Okay, only alphabets are allowed. Is this clear? Only alphabets are allowed, right?
Yes, sir.
Now if you go to your postman, suppose if I want this username 123, and if I click on, so first we need to run this application. Okay, so first we go to our main program. This is our main program. We will run this application. Okay, you also run this application, then we will test in the postman. Okay, so now my Tomcat is started on port 8081. So I hope you also run your application. So have you run your application?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will go to our postman and we have to check this. So we are trying to register the user with numbers which is not allowed now. Okay, earlier it was allowed. If you hit on send, okay, now you are getting the error. Is this clear? Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how you can apply a pattern in your backend. So here you are getting this error which is 403. So 403 means like you are not able to reach the controller. Okay, you haven't reached the controller. Okay, before reaching the controller, you are getting this error. Is this clear? Is this clear? You haven't reached controller here. Before reaching the controller, you are facing some error. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will test this with the, so we try to give a right username also. We will test with that. So the username is Bobby. Now this is a valid user. It is registered successfully. Okay, it means working fine. Is this clear? Is that clear? Bob is working fine. Uh, so if we say Bobby 123, now you are getting an error. So we have seen that this Bobby 123 is not working. And you know the reason why it is not working, because it contains the numbers. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And you can verify from this also. If you go to your Spring Boot here, you will get this exception. It is saying validation failed for argument. Is this clear? Is this clear? It means it is not accepting your argument, and you know the reason why it is doing so. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you have implemented validation in Spring Boot also.